equestrian friends, it's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to today's video, and it is December 13th, which means we are going to be opening day number 13 of the Effol Equestrian Advent Calendar. But first, I wanted to give a shout out to Halter Equestrian for making this awesome sweatshirt. And it's got a little bit of dog hair on it, but can you see what it says? Just right, #weekend goals. And I have a t-shirt, a bamboo t-shirt that I bought from Halter Equestrian a while ago. I'm pretty sure I bought it in the springtime. And that t-shirt has been phenomenal. I love that t-shirt. It is so cool. It says jumper. And I first saw this sweatshirt while I was looking through Day by Day Vlogs Instagram account. And Sophie was wearing this sweatshirt. And I was like, I really like that. I want to be like Sophie. So I bought this sweatshirt. It's kind of like a long sleeve tee more than a sweatshirt. It is really warm though. But I bought this because I saw Sophie wearing it. And I would like to think that I am one of Sophie's biggest fans. #Sophie's biggest fan. So Halter Equestrian is awesome. And I actually bought this because of Sophie from Day by Day Vlogs. So hi Sophie. I don't know if you're watching this video, but I'm your biggest fan. Okay, so let's get back to what the video is supposed to be about today, which is opening door number 13 on the Effol Advent Calendar for equestrians. Man, now I gotta find day 13. I am not good at finding the days. Oh, it's clear on the bottom. Okay, clear on the bottom, day number 13. I thought I was getting better at this. Day number 13. Oh, I can pull this one out because it's a tube. Now this is skin balm, and I'm thinking it might be similar to the skin lotion. So before I say that it's for riders, I'm assuming it's for horses. On the packaging it says, Effol Skin Balm formulation is made with urea, forms a moisture regenerating protective layer against damp, puts encrusted skin dry, which I'm thinking that if your skin is really dry or chapped, you would use this. Panthenol and zinc oxide support wound healing. So this is for horses. Formulation with valuable avocado, rosemary, and sage oils sustained the treated skin. So I think this is kind of like if you had Corona cream. Yeah, because it's got zinc oxide in it. So if your horse had a cut or a scrape, you could put this on it to act as a skin protector. And the urea cream, ooh, it smells really good. Woo, that's strong. But the urea cream helps to break down excess skin. So if there was scabby stuff on it, that would help to break it down. This is really nice to have for your first aid kit. So this will be going in my first aid kit. Hopefully I never have to use it, but I'm glad I have it. So day number 13 is a skin balm, basically like a first aid cream for your horses. And I'm very happy to have that. All right, day number 13 is done. We've unboxed or opened 13 windows. Ooh, 13 was still open. 13 windows in the Equestrian Advent Calendar. And I know I've said it, but I'm going to say it again. This thing is the coolest advent calendar I could ever hope to get. So I'm sure they're all sold out by now. You could probably do a Google search and see if any retailers still have it available. I don't know what the shipping is like right now. We're getting pretty close to Christmas, but if you can find one of these, this would be an excellent Christmas gift for your favorite equestrian or for yourself. And if this is the first time you've seen me do one of these window openings from the Advent Calendar, I've been doing it now for 13 days in a row. If you want to be alerted when I have a new video come out, just click that subscribe button and then you'll be notified when I have a new video coming out. Right now, that's every day through December 24th. So you've got a lot of videos to catch up on.